Egypt court sentences 75 to death over 2013 sit in Cairo, AP. An Egyptian court sentenced 75 people to death on Saturday, including top figures of the outlawed Muslim Brotherhood group, for their involvement in a 2013 sit-in, state media reported. The Cairo Criminal Court referred the sentences to the Grand Mufti, the country's top theological authority, for his non-binding opinion, as is the norm in capital cases. Non-binding, the formality gives a window of opportunity for a judge to reverse an initial sentence. The sentences are subject to appeal. Sentencing for more than 660 others involved in the case was scheduled for September 8, the Al Ahram News website reported. Those sentences, too, are subject to appeal. Of the 75 defendants referred to the Mufti, 44 are jailed and 31 are at large. The court normally hands down the maximum sentence for fugitives, but a retrial is typically held after they are caught. The case involves a total 739 defendants, including the Muslim Brotherhood Supreme Guide Mohammed Beatty and photojournalist Mahmoud Abu Zaid. The charges range from murder to damaging public property. Neither Beatty nor Abu Zaid were sentenced to death in this case. The 2013 sit-in, in Rabaa al-Adawiya Square in Cairo, supported former Islamist President Mohamed Morsi, who was militarily ousted following mass protests against his divisive one-year rule. Morsi hailed from the Brotherhood. The sit-in was violently dispersed on August 14, 2013. More than 600 people were killed. Months later, Egypt designated the Brotherhood a terrorist organization. Egyptian authorities have since launched a severe crackdown on Brotherhood members and supporters, arresting many and trying them on terror-related charges. Egyptian courts have held mass trials and handed down death sentences for hundreds of people, drawing international condemnation. In 2014, an Egyptian judge sentenced 529 of Morsi's supporters to death. A retrial was later ordered after several proceedings. Rights groups have repeatedly criticized such mass sentencings in Egypt and called on authorities to ensure fair trials. International rights groups also denounced the mass trial of the 2013 sit-in. Amnesty International described it in a statement last month as a grotesque parody of justice, and called on authorities to drop all charges against those arrested for protesting peacefully. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.